Hey guys, it's Kyle. I got something more of the Dollar Tree, and what I have here, I just bought 4 of those. I'm going to show you the first. The first stuff is the mixing bowl with the handle and the pointing tip over here, and that's the handle right on the left. And it's easy to pour the batter because it doesn't get any spillages with this mixing bowl. I love this handle. Let's see what else we got here. Look at this one. This is the scoop whip soft grip handle. You usually scoop with the flour. It's leveling agent. And the next one is the mash strainer. It's really beautifully, for example, you can sift it and you can also strain over here to remove the seeds over. The last one, and I just bought me more the kitchen towels. It's gonna be clean for 90% cotton, 10% polyate for this, because I love those. Every $1. I'm going to give you, just separate. Right, here we go. And then you have a 4 that of the kitchen item. I brought 4 of those kitchen items that went from the Dollar Tree. It costs every $1 each of those items for anything you want to buy for. So I'm going to put the link, that previous video, in the description box below and the end of this video. And I'm also going to put all these items that I'm going to put into that we did the same. So if you're interested about the brine for Dollar Trees, you can write down in the comments below. Click the bell icon for notifications. Then view all my videos before you can share. And please be sure to subscribe to my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And I hope you guys, and thank you very much for watching.